Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install or add a wireless mouse on your Windows 10 machine. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the devices tile on this page. And underneath Bluetooth and other devices, select Add Bluetooth or other device. And then you want to select Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth devices. So make sure your Wi-Fi settings have been configured on your mouse. So make sure the device is connected to your home Wi-Fi settings and then come in here, because if you're not connected to your Wi-Fi, you're not going to be able to add the device here. And then you just would follow through with the on-screen steps. It'd be as simple as that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.